system is simply accessible from anywhere on any device, whether it's mobile, tablet or desktop, or any platform, both from a web browser and as an iOS or Android app. The system is easy to implement in a corporate environment, as it is web-based and does not require local installation or the involvement of any corporate IT personnel. The platform is suitable for both short-term and long-term projects. It has been successfully applied both for campaign-type impulsive interventions as well as several months-long learning purposes. The flexibility of the underlying rule mechanisms allows us to set up a wide range of motivational structures.